Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in. So this problem occurs when your network driver network adapter is not working properly, so the hardware can't configure it. So the first step you need to do is go to your settings, then go to network and internet, then go to advanced network settings, go to network reset and reset now. So when you click this, your laptop will restart after 5 minutes, so you don't have to do it manually. So if the problem still happen, go to services, type services in your search bar, then find Windows WLan Autoconfig. Choose start type automatic. Sometimes it's manual, so Wi-Fi doesn't work start when your laptop starts. So then choose automatic. Service status stop, start it, then apply. Okay. Now you can see Wi-Fi is working. Sometimes it doesn't work. So if it happen, go to services now. Sometimes it doesn't work. So if it happen, right click on your Windows icon. So sometimes it doesn't work. So if it happen, right click on your Windows icon and go to Device Manager. Select network adapters. Then you can see Wi-Fi network adapter for Wi-Fi. Then go to properties, go to driver and uninstall device. Don't click this box first. Okay, go uninstall and go to action, scan for hardware changes. It does detect Wi-Fi and fix it. But if it doesn't work, go restart. If it doesn't work, restart your laptop, and after when laptop restart, if it doesn't work, go to Device Manager again and go to network adapter, go to a Wi-Fi icon, Wi-Fi driver, and go to uninstall device. Then click this one. It will remove the drivers for this device. So when you uninstall it, I have found the latest properly working driver. I will upload it to Google Drive, so you can download it and it can fix your